Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Today the topic is how to research a legal problem, a guide for non-lawyers. This guide is intended to help a person with a legal problem find legal rules that can resolve or prevent conflict. Getting started. State the question clearly that you need to answer. Determine the jurisdiction, meaning the particular subject and locality. Understand citation and abbreviations. Most law books are cited the order of volume number, book and page. For example, 410 US 113 would signify volume 1410 of United States reports. Where to go? Public libraries will have at least some of the codes, texts and self-help materials matter here, as well as facilities for internet access. Most country court law school libraries, depository libraries of federal materials are located at most law libraries, large public libraries and universities, and are required to be available to the public. The internet is not a comprehensive source for legal material. Some good starting points for legal information on the web. The American Bar Association Public Resources page. What to look at? Self-help books or kits containing instructions and forms are available in many bookstores and public libraries, and even from some court clerks and legal aids offices to help non-lawyers with routine matters. Practice aid and from books are intended for lawyers but can be useful for anyone. Some examples of practice aids are cause of action, American jurisprudence, trials and American jurisprudence, proof of facts, which give guidance in what evidence is a court must be given and how to proceed. General form books include American jurisprudence, legal forms, American jurisprudence, pleading and practice forms, West legal forms. Also, forms for particular court procedures may be available from the court's clerk's office. Legal encyclopedias are good starting point to get an overview of topic. Many states also have encyclopedias of state law. Texts and treatises can also yield useful general information. They contain the law on a specific subject, sometimes a specific jurisdiction, and may include forms. West Horn books or comparable publications provide more depth. Multi-volume and encyclopedic treatises presents comprehensive information for many subjects. Articles printed in journals or law reviews, published commercially or by law schools or bar associations, may also be useful. Many articles may be found online for free at sites such as Google Scholar. Jurist Law Reviews page at juristlaw.la.pitt.edu. University Law Review project at www.lawreview.org. Courts contain legal rules known as statutes, regulations, or ordinances which are mandatory, meaning that courts must follow them. Courts are accessed through an index that refer you to a numbered section. They are updated by supplements or pocket parts or are in loose leaf form. One of the following federal code version will be used: the jurisdiction in federal, the United States courts. Court rules state the procedure by which a dispute must make its way to court and how the resolution of the dispute is to be conducted. Although procedural law can also be found in statutory and administrative codes. Court rules are generally more detailed and can vary from court to court. Reports or reporters contain opinions, sometimes called decisions or cases, written by courts to explain how and why certain legal rules were used to resolve the dispute in a particular lawsuit. Decisions of a higher court will be mandatory, that is, those decisions must be followed if coming from a higher court in the same jurisdiction or from the U.S. Supreme Court. With few exceptions, reported decisions are from courts of appeals rather than trial courts. These unpublished decisions, such as those found in the federal appendix, can help one to understand the law. Causes decided in the U.S. Supreme Court are reported in the United States reports and reprinted in the Supreme Court Reporter. Many cases can also be found at the OIS project. This site is complete and authoritative source for all audio recorded in the court since the installation of a recording system in October 1955. Newer circuit court and district court cases can be found at Cornell, though availability of cases will vary from court to court. State appellate court opinions are printed in the state reports in many states. They are also printed in West Regional Reporter. These are called parole citation. For availability of state court opinion on the web, go to the individual state government's website www.washlaw.education. Finding opinion in reports may be done in various ways. Reporters are not arranged by subject. Lawyers and those in law schools can find cases using subscription computer databases. However, libraries replace print reporter and digest sets with some of the electronic access. So these are the few lines for research a legal problem for non-lawyers. So thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.